In this video, I'll show you how to find top meme coins on Moonshot by Dexscreener. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to the channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now at first, you need to be logged into your Dexscreener, right? So this is our Dexscreener preview. And I'm going to show you how you can find the top meme coins here on Moonshot by Dexscreener. Now the top meme coins and the meme coins that are gradually getting, they are gradually getting volume, right? So what you need to do, you need to click on this right here, right? You're going to click on this top. Once you click on this top, you'll be displayed with a whole lot of tokens, right? And you see the tokens that are currently topping the chart here on Moonshot by Dexscreener. This is basically how you can find the top trending meme coins here on Moonshot by Dexscreener. If you find this video helpful, please share your thoughts in the comment section. If you got any questions you want to ask me, please do that as well in the comment section. I'm going to see you guys in the very next one.